Halimbawa, dito sa sa isang lugar, Secretary Rex, sa Mindanao, merong due doon for payout na dapat nang ibigay sa kanila. Eh nung pumunta ka, naka-hold yun for how many months? And then nung pumunta ka, dinoble mo. Dinagdagan mo, dinoble mo. Pwede pala yung ganun. Kasi ikaw yung pumunta. General Santos City, sir.
Senator, this was during the earthquake.
Hindi po. Recently lang po ito. Meron pong due for payout na po doon mga indigents, no?
Senator,
Maybe biktima po ito ng earthquake o disaster, due na po. So nagmakawa sila sa inyo, sir. Matagal na po itong validated list na ito for payment na po ito. Ngayon, nung pumunta ka, sige, release nyo na. Release nyo na. Nung pinarelease mo, dinoble mo pa. So, ibig sabihin, pag kayo ang pumunta, pwede nyo palang doblehin. Pag nagiging selective kayo, Secretary.
Madam Chair,
One more question. Hindi ba ito na nagagamit sa politika ninyo?
my politics. Senator, I'm not.
One question for the record. Are you running for the Senate?
Senator, I'm not running for the Senate.
Oh,
In fact,
alam ng tao yan.
yes, and in fact, I even wrote all the public polling firms to
Okay.
remove me
Okay.
from the list.
And then,
And I think I communicated that so many times.
okay, so don't be selective. Alam ng publiko yan.